Hello, folks. Jethro coming to you here from Redwater Dodge, home of the world famous Rig Ready Rams. Rig Ready approves and Rig Ready used. We're going to turn our used car lot in the biggest in Alberta. I'm standing beside this just landed, traded in 2021 Ford Transit T250, extended wheelbase, high roof. Come with me. We're going to take a look at this one together. It's got the twin turbo underneath the engine. Real nice grill on the front of this one. LED lights. 16-inch steel wheels on this one. It's got the faux leather inside, lots of storage, shifter in the center there, 12-volt plug-in, USB port as well. Open this up. It's huge. The door for it is right there. It just needs to be put back on. Super easy. Very, very high. Like I said before, the high roof, so you can go up inside and you can stand up inside of it. Actually, there's tons and tons and tons of room in this one, all the way to the back. So very, very nice. We'll move around to the back here. It's got the two doors in the back that pop open. Super easy, just like that. Very, very easy. Obviously, if you're looking for a big transit van, you know more about this than I do. It's all-wheel drive, which is a very nice feature in these, especially in our climate. You don't want to get stuck. Gas goes in here. Power windows, power locks. Backup camera, cruise control, hands-free talking, low kilometers, lots of places here for cup holders. Nice seat as well, super comfy. If this is something you're looking for or anything, come on down to Redwater Dodge or give me a call. I'm Jethro, 780-942-3629. Check us out online.